Which of these countries lies closer to Afghanistan? Answer: Pakistan. Which of these is an official language of Afghanistan? Answer: Afghan Persian. Which of these is a river in Afghanistan? Answer: Kabul. Which of these is an Afghani mountain range? Answer: Hindu Kush. In what part of the Asia is Afghanistan situated? Answer: Southwest. Afghanistan is frequently prone to which type of natural disaster? Answer: Earthquake. In which direction do Afghanistan Hindu Kush mountain run? Answer: northeast to southwest. In what direction does Afghanistan lie in relation to Pakistan? Answer: north. Which of its border does Afghanistan share with Iran? Answer: western. Afghanistan is closest to which of these lines of latitude? Answer: Tropic of Cancer. Afghanistan is bordered by which Asian country? Answer: China. By how many countries is Afghanistan landlocked? Answer: 6. Afghanistan is broken into approximately how many provinces? Answer: 30. Which of these countries share the longest border with Afghanistan? Answer: Pakistan. The majority of Afghanistan is covered by what kind of terrain? Answer: mountains. Summer in Afghanistan occurs during which month? Answer: June, August. Which Afghan river share its name with the country capital city? Answer: Kabul. Afghanistan is closest in size to which American state? Answer: Texas. Roughly what percentage of Afghanistan lie in higher than 6,000 4,500 feet above sea level. Answer: more than 50%. Afghanistan lies west of which ocean? Answer: Pacific. Thank you.